This is a video testimonial for Dubb Video Service and Communication. Hi, I'm Michael Tori, Realtor with Remax Select Properties in Vancouver, Canada. I've been using Dubb for over a year, and before Dubb, I was very frustrated and confused how to make best use of video marketing from their competition. I find Dubb very easy to use to get started. They have several presets, templates, and forms anyone can use, and you can expand to their aspects to enhance your video experience. But what's most important is the care and compassion that people show. You're not part of a big company. Darius or Rob, they answer to your questions. They care about to make sure you know how to use the product and service. And in turn, it helps my business. I had great results. I see how many more people are using the video I send out. Great analytics and ways to improve. And Dubb, behind the scene, they're ongoing improving. If you're not ready for a video, just start with a voice record, which turns into a video. And that's one of the many features you can use their service. So I thank you for this amazing software and to enhance my business. And I will be a customer for a long time. Thank you.